My name is Kritika Rohila. I am an international student living in London right now. No, I'm not sick. I literally have my heater on right now. And I just had a really nice breakfast, though it's I guess 12:30 right now, but yeah, this is just a life cycle. But I had chila, I had bread and jam, because I know it sounds like a weird combination, but I had both of them together because chila mein namak maine bahut zyada dal diya tha, and in order to balance that I thought let's just go for bread and jam, and it tasted really good. I mean, just give this a try once, just for the sake of me. Just try it and I'm sure you won't regret it. And also I want to show, मैंने अपनी drawer इतनी अच्छी organize किया, but before I go into it, a little story time. So यहाँ पे I thought I need to get some organizers, so I literally went on a quick run to just check out the organizers, and London is expensive, so I didn't get any. So what I did was कि मैं जब भी कुछ भी fruits लाती हूँ या कुछ भी, so it comes in a packaging, in a plastic box kind of packaging, and I thought I am gonna use it as my organizer. And now you should see how cute, how beautiful and how organized it looks. I mean, just look at it. I still need one more grey box, so I'll be sorted then, but it looks very much clean now and I am so happy about it. Now the plan for today is that the temperature in UK, it's getting real now, so we need to figure out a jacket that can actually protect me from the crazy wind here, because now the temperature is literally hitting minus side. So I need to figure out a jacket as soon as possible, because price will hit up and I don't want to spend unnecessarily on a stupid jacket, if you know what I mean. And I went to check the prices and they are expensive. So I'm gonna go today and check out more stores, and hopefully today we'll find something for me and I'll finalize and I will get one, and I need one layer as well. Yeah, that's the plan for the day. Now I'm done with my breakfast. I'm gonna go and hit the shower and I will be back. And I was planning to wear some outfit, but I'm feeling too lazy right now and I really have a lot of assignments to do, and this particular one assignment that I have is due on Monday. Today is Sunday. I just have a few hours, so I need to get done with the assignment ASAP. So I'm just gonna pull a nice maybe night suit and wear that. So yeah, I'll just see you after I'm done with my shower. By the way, also I did clean my room in these 2-3 days, and before I take my shower I always play some nice music on literally full volume. I love that so much, so I have a lot of playlists. I'm just figuring out which one should I go for. Just see, I'm just searching, and yeah, I literally have a playlist that says My Delusional Side. I love this so much. I guess we are gonna play this today.
Talk to throw a bone. For a while, sleeping like a babe. The curiosity, get the Cadillac, you see. Stranded on the carpet, head under the faucet. You're my alibi. It's fair enough, you wanna cock it, hoping I'll forget following the night. You made a joke about the half-cut, ate a metaphor and lady made her cry.
Shower now. I love like using perfume, and I am such a perfume lover. I can collect, I can hold a lot of perfumes and I won't even regret. Trust me, I have like 6-7 perfumes right here with me, but I can still get a lot of perfumes because I am like a perfume lover, you can say. But here's a little trick that I always follow. So before applying whatever perfume, just firstly moisturize your body just like I did and add Vaseline. So see, I'm like adding a bit of Vaseline, rub it, warm it up, and then just warm it here as well on your neckline. And if you love applying it all over, because like I overdo perfumes a lot, and so I just apply a little bit on my collarbone as well, and then spritz it all over me. And I can't name this one, this is a customized one, but yeah, just go crazy with my perfumes. I sometimes just like spray a bit on my hair as well, because I love smelling good, and it's just for me. I dress up for myself, I perfume myself for myself, and just yeah, that's every Pampers thing is for me, not for anyone else. Now that I'm all done with everything, with my shower and everything, I am now, is it raining? Okay, no. Oh my god. So I am just gonna complete my assignment now quickly, and then in an hour or maybe in 2, storage was full. So yeah, I was thinking that we will head out for shopping. And by the way, there's a little birdie, she is like literally dancing around. I'm just gonna show you. Hi you guys, I took a break now finally. It's been I guess 2-3 hours, and I've been doing all the readings and research, and oh my god, I'm so tired right now that I had to make myself a cup of strong coffee. So I'm just sipping on to that. I don't want to drop it, but yeah, it tastes really good. I've gotten a very strong coffee and it's like so good. I've added very light amount of brown sugar and semi-skimmed milk along with water and with completely thick milk, but like proportion of each and everything. I mean, just everybody has their own taste in their coffee, and I wanted it to be strong and not too smooth because I really wanted to wake myself up and feel alive after completing all that work. And I'm still not done with my assignment yet. So I am thinking to postpone the shopping plan. I might do that tomorrow because tomorrow is my off as well. So I will try my best to complete all the assignment this today, because oh my god, I cannot stretch it any longer. It's killing me, I'm not gonna lie. It's literally killing me. So I've taken a break and I've emptied my phone because the storage is also giving up on me. And alongside, I was thinking to maybe sort out some content. And actually now I am on a creative block right now. I could not figure out what to do, what kind of content should I make. And since I'm in UK, I'm figuring out the UK audience, and I'm trying to keep my Indian audience retained as well. So to strike a balance between these two, it's really difficult, considering especially that I am studying, I am creating content alongside, and I have a lot of assignments and I have home chores as well to do. So there's a lot on my plate and I'm not able to begin with anything else. So it's a bit of a mess right now, but I'm trying to figure out. But if you have anything in your mind, please drop your suggestions. It will be really helpful for me. Now I'm gonna enjoy my coffee, empty the space on my phone and my iPad as well, and yeah, I'm all dressed up. Actually today was my hair wash day according to my girl math, but मैंने कैसे तैसे करके अपना हेयर बना लिया है और कल मेरी इवनिंग है. बट नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू शॉपिंग बिकॉज जैकेट वगैरह लेने हैं. बट आई एम स्टिल कन्फ्यूज, शुड आई बाय द जैकेट और नॉट, बिकॉज आई ऑलरेडी हैव दिस, बट दो आई नो कि ये बेयर नहीं कर पाएगा उतनी ठंड. बट लेट्स एक्सप्लोर इन द मार्केट. अगर मुझे कुछ चीपर ऑप्शन दिखता है तो ठीक है, अदरवाइज आई एम गोना फाइंड सम ऑल्टरनेटिव, सम सब्स्टिट्यूट यू कैन से. एंड या, लेट्स गो शॉपिंग. Literally raining right now. Oh my god, the weather is crazy here. The mall is fully decorated. Can you see that? Oh. I've literally got a basket full with me, and we will try and see which one I'm gonna buy. Okay, I kinda like it, but it feels like it's way too big for me. I mean, if you see, like, this is like super furry and soft, and it's looking like pretty, but I don't know, it's just, this is the option number 2. I really want this one, but this is their XS and it feels still pretty big. I mean, hand space, it's quite fine. I don't know if this is how it is supposed to be, but I like the color. I'm just not sure. Let's layer something on top first. Okay, I tried this jacket and this is way too big for me. Apparently I feel that XS is actually an M for me. It's very big, but I think I like this hoodie. I can make it work, but let's try another one. ये कितने बड़े आदमी के लग रहे हैं. This is XS. This is literally XS. What is wrong? कितने बड़े हाँ लोग होते हैं यार. I need to find double XS. Okay, this is double XS, but I don't know, I'm not really fully satisfied. It still feels big. I need my mom. I cannot shop alone. I just literally need my mom right now. But I'm still thinking that I feel it's better as compared to the other ones, and it has its fleece lining. But I mean, don't you feel like it looks bigger on me? Or it's just me? Okay, I was thinking about this kind of layering because this is kind of going well. Look at this side. Look, it's looking nice, it's looking pretty, and I feel it's gonna protect me enough from the wind here, from the cold weather. What do you think? I think I should buy this. I am in M&S right now. At MS right now, and I've just picked this one. This puffer jacket seems really nice to me. Let's try this. This is what the jacket looks like. I don't know, it feels, is it big? Like, I don't know, it feels like it is. I'm not really sure, though it's looking really pretty. Like, look at this. But I don't know if it's looking bigger. I am small, so any puffed up thing makes me look fuller. I'm not really used to that. I think I'm gonna video call my mom and ask her if this is the one I should buy. I'm really confused. And what I love about this jacket is it has this neck rest, so it's pretty puffed at the neck area, and it gives that rest. It gives that rest kind of thing, and also like these pockets, they are warm, like fleece wala pockets. So, and it has a touch button as well, so pretty protected. And ये भी it's a really nice hand, और इसमें भी आप इसको adjust कर सकते हो, which is like very normal, but I feel it's actually very good. How pretty their dressing area is. Got a huge mirror as well. Look at the sweets. Look at them. Have some sugar donuts. लाइट एकदम डम कर रखी है किचन की. कभी कभी ना मैं एकदम मास्टर शेफ बन जाती हूँ. मेरे खाना सुनना था आज मैंने फटाफट से, बिकॉज मेरी कल क्लास है, तो मैं जल्दी अपना सारा खाना वाना बनाती हूँ. मुझे एडवांस में खाना बनाना बहुत पसंद है. अभी मैं ना आलू की सब्ज़ी बना रही हूँ. मैंने मिक्स वेज भी बनाई, मैंने खाती हूँ. ये आलू की सब्ज़ी बना रही हूँ, एंड आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेड मिक्स वेज. मैंने चावल भी कर दिए हैं, और अभी हम और भी चीज़ें बनाएंगे. या मैं लाइट जलाती हूँ. I have literally made full, I don't know how many course meal. Now I have prepared some pasta. It looks really good, and I've also prepared rajma की sabji. I've prepared सूखे आलू की sabji. I've made rice and sauteed vegetable for tomorrow. I had my dinner now. मैंने जो भी बनाया था मैंने सब कुछ थोड़ा लेके उसके अंदर कर्ड डाल के like a burrito bowl I had it, and now oops, and now I'm gonna do the dishes. अभी मैं आराम से गाने वाने सुन रही थी, एंड आई फील 11:30 बजे हो गए हैं. मैंने 9 बजे स्टार्ट किया था काम करना किचन वाला सारा, एंड इट्स 11:30 राइट नाउ. आई हैव माई क्लास टुमारो, बट वी आर ऑल सेट फॉर द वीक. मैंने सब बना लिया है. 2-3 दिन का खाना बन गया है एकदम आराम से. अब बस मुझे डेली बस आऊँगी, मैं चावल चढ़ाऊँगी गैस पे, एंड ऑल डन. See, I love that. I love how efficient I am. Now, bus up. I'm gonna sleep and arrange everything into the fridge and wash the and I'm gonna wash the dishes, and I will see you tomorrow. I made myself this thing, मुझे इसका नाम नहीं पता, but it tastes so good. Something healthy. Bread jam to take, and yeah. Hi you guys. I just took a shower. I know my hair looks like literally a mess, but let them just dry and you'll see how good my hair are. But how good my hair is are? Oh my god, bad English. So yeah, I just took a shower. I told you that already. So the plan for tomorrow is I am going to drum rolls. I am literally so excited. I am on cloud 12 right now. You cannot understand how excited I am because it's crazy. I can literally see the hype on my Instagram every time I open my phone, and I'm like, Winter Wonderland. It's so good. And finally I am visiting that place myself and I will experience it all. I am just so happy. I feel super blessed to be here and that I'm getting to see it all. I feel so sometimes overwhelmed, emotional, but like a mix of emotions. But anyways, so the plan is kal hum wahan jayenge, and I don't have a proper itinerary plan, but I am sure that we are gonna do a few things. Like we will go to a few of the famous streets to see the lightings there. Like the Christmas lightings here are bomb. Every street has their own fancy lighting, so I will go there. I will go to the Winter Wonderland and maybe to some cafes, or I don't know, but like we have a really cute plan, and I hope I wake up on time because that is my problem. I will set as many alarms as possible because we need to leave as early. So yeah, I'm so excited. So we're gonna go there tomorrow and I'm gonna see you tomorrow. It's just a blabber a lot, I know. Already now I'm having my breakfast, a little sandwich and a few grapes. And I'm wearing a dress right now, and I totally forgot that I need to put my lenses, so I'll do that really quick after having my mini breakfast. It's nice. Done with my breakfast, now I'm leaving. Let's go. मेरी दोस्त मुझे डोरेमोन कह रही है क्योंकि मैं ब्लू पहन के आई हूँ और मेरे बैग में ज्यादा सामान फट गया। She is talking to her mom. Look at that house. ये धूप लिटरली 4 बार आके जा चुकी है। सुंदर लग रही है यार, मैं मेकअप करके मैं सुंदर हो जाती हूँ। इतनी देर से चले जा रहे और जब हम साथ होते हैं ना, हमेशा हमारी बस लेट होती है या हमारी बस टर्मिनेट हो जाती है, पता नहीं क्यों। और आज हमारी बस वही आ ही नहीं रही है, पता नहीं कितनी देर हो गई हमें वेट करते हुए। और जब हमारी बस ऐसे नहीं आती तो हम एक स्टॉप से चल के दूसरे स्टॉप तक 3-4 स्टॉप हम पैदल चल के चले जाते हैं। गाइस लुक, कितना अच्छा लगा। फ्लाइट भी जा रही है। फाइनली हमें बस मिल गई आफ्टर वॉकिंग फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 30 to 40 मिनट्स। इतना दूर हम चल के आ गए लिटरली, बट नाउ वी हैव गॉट द बस। फोन आता है स्पेशली बन के, एकदम दादी सी लग रही है। We are there. Look at that. I have entered my childhood dream. Oh my god. Look at that. We are literally freezing. Finally sun आया है. But we are taking hot chocolate because मेरे हाथ तो like they are literally gone right now. But I am so happy. I just cannot explain how happy I am. मेरे झूले मुझे ऐसी जगह मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है. Let's buy hot chocolate now. Looks yum. Here's my hot chocolate. It's nice. पर यार ये गर्म नहीं है यार इतनी ज़्यादा. I love like एकदम extremely hot chocolate. हम बस इतनी देर से घूम ही रहे हैं. It's literally huge. Look at that swing. It's scary. I'm gonna do that. I am so excited. I will do each and every swing, as many as possible, जितने मेरे बजट में फिट हो जाए. But I'm genuinely excited. और इतनी ठंड हो रही है ना, और लिटरली धूप कभी आ रही है कभी जा रही है, which is very hateful, है ना? बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ये. Look at that. Look at that. 360. Look at that. That's cute. Now cool है. Can you hear people shout? We are going to this ride. Oh my god, I'm so excited. मुझे अभी थोड़ी सी तो डर लग रहा है, थोड़ी गदी हो रही है, बट मैं पहले तो अपने बाल बांधूंगी क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा हवा चल रही है और इसमें तो मतलब एकदम बाल चले ही जाएंगे मेरे. But I'm so excited. Just did the ride. My hands are literally shivering right now. तो हमने जब वो राइड करी ना, he said कि like put your glasses inside your bag, and I was like no, and pretty nice and tight. और मैंने अपना ये scarf से जोड़ लिया था. Literally it fell off but came in my hands and I was like oh god, thank god, गिरा नहीं वरना टूटना पड़ता. But oh my god, it was so fun. Now we are planning to do 360 degree आगे वाला. I literally am shivering right now. I could not feel my legs. It was as good, but इतना ज़्यादा scary नहीं था. But I'm feeling this will be the one giving us the kick. दादी सब याद दिला दी guys. Oh भाई, मुझे at a certain point लगा कि मैं उसमें से निकल के गिर जाऊंगी. Literally, I was questioning all my life choices. I was so scared, but यार बहुत अच्छा है. इतनी स्पीड से they are like literally heartless people. ऊपर लेके जाके से फट ऐसे नीचे और ऐसे नहीं कि एक ही राउंड ले, you're like 3-4 राउंड और इतनी फास्ट स्पीड में. ओह, I was shivering. अब मैं थोड़ी देर बैठूंगी बस, मेरा हो गया. अब मुझे कुछ खाना है, फिर हम वापस राइड्स करेंगे. Place is actually very huge. Like literally there are like a lot of sections. हम इतनी देर से लंदन आए बोल रहे थे कि just मतलब लाइक सिमिलर वन. हम जब झूले में बैठे थे तो हमने रियल एक्चुअल वाला लंदन आई देखा एंड देन वी रियलाइज दिस इज नॉट लंदन आई. ज़्यादा क्रेजी स्विंग्स.
Witnessed horrors beyond imagination, but what I have seen.
झूला झूल के भूख लग गई. अब वी आर बाइंग अ पिज्जा एंड वी आर गेटिंग दैट राइट नाउ. और यार पिज्जा, अब हम जा रहे हैं कहीं जगह ढूंढने बैठ के खाने के लिए. दिस इज अनदर फूड एरिया. आई मीन दिस इज ह्यूज. हम 2 बार तो खो गए यहाँ पे. दिस इज अ पिज्जा. इट्स नाइस. We are done with the whole wonderland. It was amazing. अभी हम बाहर आ गए हैं. It's nice and sunny. So I was thinking हम थोड़ी देर यहाँ बाहर बैठ जाते हैं धूप में. तो हवा चल रही है बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी. But yeah. I am home. Home sweet home. I'm literally so tired right now. एक तो सेंट्रल जाना आना, plus it's freezing. It's like oh my god, the temperature is becoming unbearable. Literally, I cannot. My back hurts. Literally, I feel like I'm. Ouch! I need to plug in my charger. Wait. But yeah. I literally feel as if I am in my 50s because bro, it's so new. The temperature is actually very new for me. But yeah, that's me here signing off. If you like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family. And you must follow me on my Instagram handle kritika_. I am a fashion content creator and now as well a lifestyle content creator. And I am pretty much active on my Instagram. So yeah, just go follow me there. Until then, bye.